How to fix TikTok not letting me upload profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok not letting you to upload profile picture on your account. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open TikTok app with your account. After you open TikTok, at the bottom right, tap on your profile icon. From your profile section, tap on three lines just at the top right. From your tap on settings and privacy. And from here you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option free of space. Alright, from this section tap on cache, and from that cache section tap on clear. Alright, tap on clear. Alright, after you clear the cache of TikTok app from your device, your problem should be fixed, and now from here you can easily upload the profile picture on your account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to keep a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.